as a pass holder of Six Flags, I haven't been back to Great Adventure in New Jersey for a month now, so I figure I will stop by today. It's a nice day. Um, Before that though, let me feed my tummy. I haven't had any food yet today, so I went into Sweet Treats and got me some ice cream. It's an ice cream sundae. So let's walk over to the new area. Well, new to me anyway. It's been open since a month ago. Right now it's August 2026. So it's open since July this year. So this new boardwalk area, that new rise, and there's this new Project Purple. There's a people. I'm using my phone to pee in it to show you guys what's going on with this coaster right now. It's coming along. It wasn't like nothing was erected last time I was here, which was a month ago. So wow. Okay, this is the car. Okay, so the car seat, the feature is that, as far as I know, unless you're super duper tall, but nobody's feet is touching any ground, anything at all, as you can see. So this is really the feature of the ride, as I believe it's your feet is not grounded. So I'm not sure about you, but I see that as some roller coaster, like Velocicoaster, a lot of people would push their feet up against something like the floor or the kind of anything at all that their feet can touch. Well, this ride you cannot do that. So I'm actually excited to get on, and it's gonna open next year, 2027. So I'm excited. Anyway, let's go into Shoreline Pier on the boardwalk. It's new to me. It's open in July 2026. This Superman ride, which has been here, and then over in Shoreline, they're like exactly what the name says, boardwalk, like all the rides that you would normally see at any boardwalk. So yeah. It's actually interesting to see the shock here because as a Universal Orlando annual pass holder, I go to Universal Studios all the time and I see this, but a much bigger version of this at the park there. I'm not sure why this one is here. If any one of you know, please leave a comment down below and educate me. And before I go, let me show you one last look of the coast of Project Purple from this angle from shoreline. Yeah, so I thought I would do a quick update on Project Purple and this new shoreline area of the park. And I know that you could have done anything else 5 minutes ago instead of clicking on my video. So I really appreciate you choosing me. If you like my vibes, I hope that you subscribe so that I'll see you next time. Bye.